How to schedule a message on your WhatsApp account or on your WhatsApp application if you're using it. How you can simply just schedule a message if someone texts you. Then how you can simply schedule a message that you want to send to someone on your WhatsApp business account. So, for your information, let me tell you that you cannot do it directly that you can just schedule a message, but instead you can set a way message that is a feature of WhatsApp official business account. You simply have to do this. As this is my home screen, all of you can see, I will simply click on the three dots right on the top of screen. Then I will go on setting option from there. Here you have to scroll down and then click on your account setting. Here you will see all the details about it, but we just have to go on the chat section. Here scroll down. On the business features, you're gonna see an option called away messages that you will get in business setting only, so you can do it from that. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.